In this video, I'd like to talk about some few additions I'd really appreciate in the Generate Transparent Video with Subtitles feature in Subtitle Edit. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, let me just open up a video. Let's go with this and the respective subtitle and show you what I mean. So I do have my video and subtitles here, and if you want to band this to the video, you just go to video, generate video with band-in subtitle. When I click on that, there are a couple of key features I really appreciate inside this particular dialog box for generate video with band-in subtitle. Now, number one is this option to cut from to, which I'd really love in the generate video with transparent subtitle. Now, if I pull up another window here, Subtitle Edit, and just open a video, and let's assume I want to use the generate video, transparent video with subtitles. So I'll just go generate transparent video with subtitles. Now you see that cut option is missing inside this feature, which would be really important, especially if you don't want to generate transparent video, especially for selected lines for a really long video, because in a way, when you use this feature, it seems that Subtitle Edit is going to generate for almost the whole thing. So that is number one. So we go back to the generate video with band-in subtitle interface, and you'll notice that we get this good preview window right here. Now, what this preview window does is that it allows you to easily see how your subtitles look in the output video. So for example, if I use the maximize button here, you'll be able to see how your subtitles are actually going to look like once they're done. So they're going to like have this border or outline, and that is the font size. And with that, if I actually minimize, you can easily be able to tweak the different options here, and they change in real time. So if I say we use a font size of 120 and press on enter, you'll see it change in real time. And now, unfortunately, in this particular version, the second version right here, where would we have it here? The generate transparent video with subtitles, we don't have that feature to be able to compare that or actually see what we're actually tweaking. So sometimes you have to really know exactly the resolutions of your video and also what really works best for your video if you're using the generate transparent video with subtitles. Having a preview window would really change a lot, especially take the guessing out of it right inside there. So that is number two. And number three, a batch mode feature. So for example, you already know your settings. It would be awesome to kind of have a batch mode feature such that you can just put in your subtitles in here and your videos and batch generate transparent video with subtitles. That would be really handy if it can actually be added in the generate transparent video with subtitles feature. It would be really boost everything that we do, because clearly the generate transparent video with subtitles and the generate video with band-in subtitles, the interfaces are more or less the same. So that would be highly welcome, and also the maximize and the minimize and so on and so forth would be really welcome in future updates. That's just me thinking out. I really appreciate this, that we can do this inside here. It's a really neat feature to actually be able to select lines and all these options, selected and subsequent lines. Really awesome feature to have. But those are just my few thoughts on what we can borrow from the generate video with band-in subtitle into generate transparent video with subtitles. We'll be really welcome to have that. That's it for this video. I hope you've learned something. Thanks for watching.